To today's Stocksavi tutorial video on our Stocksavi Inventory Management Software, where we're putting you through on what few informations that might be of importance to you concerning your business. We still get questions as to why we should be using why we should use Stocksavi Inventory Management Software, or what advantage is it to me, what does it do for my business. So I'll just give you a quick summary. Stocksavi Inventory Management Software is an inventory management software that keeps you abreast of what's happening in your store, keeps you updated on your stock, gives you the right information concerning what you have in your warehouse at every point in time. It also guides you on what your staff is doing, or what they are selling, which product is moving, which customers are patronizing you more. Those informations and many more are the things that you can find in our Stocksavi Inventory Management Software. Okay, today we'll be guiding you on knowing products that are not moving. Like I said before, the Stocksavi keeps you abreast of what is happening in your store, and sometimes you might have some goods in your store that you don't know whether they are moving or not, whether people are patronizing them or not, so that it doesn't stay there and expire or get spoiled or damaged. All right, and it also helps you to know when one product has been long on your shelf, all right, so that you can either sell it off at a discounted price or do whatever that needs to be done with it. Okay, so to get those goods that are not moving, call them the non-moving product, what you need to do is to come down to your profit and financial. Here, this under reports, we have the profit and financial, you have purchase and supplier, sales and customer, stock and inventory. So you click on your stock and inventory, you can see it here. When you come down, you see non-moving products, you click on it. Okay, when you click on it, which store you go to, click the store you want to see, come category, maybe let's say under corporates, what brand, let's say maybe Zara. Okay, then the range, let's say for the last 30 days. Okay, and you click here, it generates the report. You can see this one is not selling. See, this product has not been sold. You see 10 quantity, none has been sold. Okay, so you see those kind of information are very necessary, so that you can know if you should keep buying the product or you should not buy it at all. All right, if you want to check, let's go to the other store again. Let's say we want to even search for all the categories. For example, let's say we want to search for all brands. Okay, and within what period? Let's say last month. All right, you can use any period. You must not necessarily use any period just to generate it. So after clicking that date range, you click on generate report. You can see a laundry list of them. Okay, you can see a laundry list of them. Okay, right, so you can see them clearly here. You see not selling. This one, you see two pieces never sold. You can see it here, never sold. This one also never sold. All right, you can see this one low sale. That means it's not being sold very well. Okay, you can see it. The last date was sold was on the 31st of March. That's roughly over a week plus. Okay, you can see still come down, you still see a lot of them. These are low sales. Then under that, you'll now still be able to see the ones that are selling. Okay, you'll be able to see the ones that are selling, how they are moving, how they are doing in the market, just to give you a guide concerning your product. Do not forget to like, comment and share, and also click on the notification button so that you can be notified when next we come online. Do have a good day ahead, and do also engage yourself with all our videos, and also please feel free to come on board the Stocksavi Inventory Management Software, and you will never regret it. Bye for now. Have a good day.